Hey, thanks for joining me on my live. We're gonna have a good time. I'm so excited. Share the video. Okay, y'all. Hold on one second. I got a phone call. Hold on a sec. Shawnita speaking. Hey, what's going on? Hello. So I heard that you were interested in becoming a paparazzi consultant. Yes, that is so exciting. So tell me, how did you find me? Okay, you found me on Facebook? Good. So I'm so excited that you decided to reach out to me. So I don't know what you know about the business, but let me just tell you about Paparazzi. So I joined Paparazzi in 22 years ago, 2017, because my cousin kept asking me to join and I kept telling her no. And I finally joined just to get her off my back. It ended up being the best thing that has ever happened to me. Yeah, so let me just tell you about the company and how everything works. So Paparazzi started in 2011 by two sisters and their husband in Hurricane, Utah. And in the first year, they have experienced over 900% growth in the first year in Paparazzi. So that is amazing and unheard of in business, right? So let me tell you, if you don't know what Paparazzi is, it is a direct sales company and they sell beautiful, affordable accessories for $5, right? Crazy. So you may be thinking like I was first thinking, $5, like you cannot make any money selling $5 jewelry, right? Yeah, you thought that. I thought that too, right? Wrong. Paparazzi has changed my life in more than ways than one. So let me just tell you about the ways that we make money and how you can get started. So in Paparazzi, we have, we earn 45% commission. So yeah, we are known as the $5 jewelry ladies, but we actually get our jewelry for $2.75. Yeah, $2.75. Right? Crazy, right? So we get it for $2.75 and we sell it for $5, and that's 45% commission. We also have a exclusive line called our Z collection, which sells for $25. So like those are like our big, bold statement pieces. But as a consultant, we only get those, we only pay $16.25. Yep. $16.25. So it is great. And in Paparazzi, you can sell your jewelry however you want. A lot of us carry our jewelry with us in what we call bling bags. We go live, we vend, we do house parties. It's up to you how you want to make money. So I know you found me on Facebook Live, but being on Facebook Live is not a requirement to become a paparazzi consultant. However, if you decide to go live, going live has drastically changed my business because, believe it or not, I am more of an introverted person, right? I know it's hard to believe, but I am. I'm introverted, but I can talk to people in the street, but I like Facebook because it gives people a chance to get to know me and I get to know them and kind of create a warm market, right? So that is great. Okay, good. So how do you get started? We have 3 different packages. We have a $499 package that includes 200 pieces of jewelry. It's called our Big Home Party Kit. Everything you need to get started. We have a $299 kit. That's our Small Home Party Kit. That includes 120 pieces of jewelry. And we also have our $99 Preview Kit. And that includes 35 pieces of jewelry. So whichever kit you choose, you cannot go wrong. So yeah, 3 different packages. A lot of people either do the $99 kit or the $499 kit. It's up to you. The biggest perk to the biggest kit, the $499 kit, is it includes a convention ticket. But either way, you can't go wrong. I joined with the $99 kit and I was amazed at all the stuff that comes in the kit. You get receipt books, bags, a beautiful planner, everything you need to get your business started. So I took my jewelry to work and I sold my entire kit in 3 days. Yep. 3 days. So I made my money back right away because the jewelry sells itself. You just have to put it out there to the people and it will sell. Yes. So even if you never sold anything before, it's okay. You just have to put the jewelry in front of the people. That sounds good? Okay. So let me tell you the other ways we make money. So we make money with our jewelry. When you join Paparazzi, you get a free website. What's the monthly maintenance fee? There's no monthly maintenance fee. No monthly maintenance fee. It's free. It's a free website they give you. So as soon as you join, your website is going to be available to you right away. Right away. So when you join, we have secret team groups. So I'll add you to the team groups, show you how to post on social media so you can get some website sales going right away. Yes, that's great. So free website, and I'll show you, once you join the team, I'll show you how to personalize your website for under $5 a year. That sounds good? Yes. So I know a lot of other companies, they charge a monthly fee for their website. Paparazzi, $0. And they maintain the website for you, which I thought was great because I had started another business before Paparazzi, and I had to learn how to create a website and how to upload pictures and all that. You don't have to worry about any of that. So it is great on that end with the website done. Okay. And the third way we make money, the first way we make money is with our jewelry, cash and carry. We sell our jewelry. The second way we make money is through our website. And the third way we make money is through team building. So team building is not a requirement to become a paparazzi consultant. You do not have to build a team. When I joined, I had no intention of building a team at all 2 years ago. But now I have a team of almost 700 consultants. Yeah, 700 consultants, from a girl who had no thoughts of building a team, from a lady who only really joined just to do her cousin a favor, right? So you can build a team if you choose. And what's going to happen is when people see you out making money, making sales, having fun, traveling, they're going to ask like, what are you doing? And they're going to want to be a part of it. So when you invite people to join, underneath your link, you earn anywhere between 5 and 10% on everyone that you share the opportunity with. Isn't that good? Yeah, so that's residual income just for sharing the business. So those are the 3 ways that we make money. It's great. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Did you know that we get new inventory Monday through Friday? No, not monthly. Monday through Friday. Except for holidays. Every day, Paparazzi has new inventory that's released. So even if you know another consultant, you guys can have completely different inventories because she may have something that you don't have and vice versa. Yeah, so that is amazing. New inventory that comes out Monday through Friday. Oh, okay. You're allergic to nickel and lead? Oh, I got you covered. Because guess what? Our jewelry is lead and nickel free. Yes, $5 jewelry, lead and nickel free. Isn't that great? So most people, they have a lead allergy or a nickel allergy. So our jewelry has none of that, okay? We have all kinds of people on our team, from business professionals to work at home moms, people who are retired. So you can work this business from home. I'm at home right now. You can work this business from home however and whenever you want to. Yes, that's great. So yeah, you work a full-time job? Yeah, I work a full-time job too. So when I come home, I'm working on my business. Anytime I can find breaks during the daytime, I'm working on my business. So you can create a real good income part-time, and you can transition to full-time however you want. We have people who have been in this business for less than 3 years who are on track to become a millionaire. Yep, a millionaire from selling $5 jewelry. So if anyone has told you that you can't make money selling $5 jewelry, do not believe it. It's a lie. Yes, exciting. So I hope that I answered all of your questions. You can join for as low as $99 today. So as soon as you join, we have secret groups that we have training. There's almost a training going on probably just about every day. So I'll add you to our secret groups, and I'm going to steal your profile picture because that's what I do. So I'll steal your Facebook profile picture and I'll make a collage. And as soon as I get your consultant ID number emailed to me, I'm going to add you to the team pages and I'm going to introduce you to the team. Yes. Okay, so do you have any other questions for me? Yeah, so, this is what I say. It's $99. So, we can waste $99 on a dinner, right? And an hour later, 2 hours later, you're hungry again. So in Paparazzi, worst case scenario, you end up with a box full of beautiful jewelry that you can sell, you can wear, you can keep, you can gift, whatever you want. Best case scenario, you'll have a thriving business. Yes. So the thing that I love the most, because I am an entrepreneur at heart, but the thing I love the most about this company is you are in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. So that's great. I just love that. Yes. Yes, you'll be connected to some amazing men and women. And don't forget, having a home business, you have tax deductions and all that. Yes. A lot of people who earn high figure salaries, they join Paparazzi just so they can have a tax deduction. Yep. So I appreciate you speaking to me. I'm going to get your collage ready, okay? And as soon as I get the email, because I should get an email instantly when you join, I'll get the email and I'll add you to our secret groups and you can get started today, okay? Yes, and we're going to get that next year off to a great start. So thank you so much for speaking to me. Expect wonderful things to happen to you. And I look forward to introducing you to the team and getting you started, okay? All right, I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. All right, take care. Bye-bye.